Hey, welcome you all. This is Jay Prakash from Chennai. I'm going to talk about to you now related to memory. What is memory? Memory is nothing but whatever the information you want, which has been stored through your sensory perception. It has to be recollected or retrieved immediately whenever you want. You are going to see how the memory works for you, what are the kind of memories, why the memory is important. Generally, we have a habit of from the childhood, we learn everything through pictorial. Say example, I'll tell you apple. The moment I say apple, are you getting apple apple in your mind, or are you getting apple picture? Of course, everybody agree will get an apple picture. So that is the way we learned all the things. We have been well developed with pictorial memory. That is called visual memory. Anything if you sense that goes to your brain and it creates a mental image, that is where it is registered properly. This is the one way. The student community faces the biggest challenge. They must be prepared very well, day and night, sometimes hard work. They knew everything to write an exam. They have a very good confidence. They enter into the exam hall, they keep writing. Suddenly something gets stuck. That's all. They feel very, very tense, stressed. They couldn't able to recollect. You know what happens? When they come out of the hall, they immediately can recollect what was the question, what they missed out. Why it is happening? Of course, they prepared very well, but they couldn't able to reproduce. There's a technical reason is the conduction between neurons. It delays. They couldn't able to retrieve the information. You know why? They have not registered it properly. That's why the retain got confused whether to be a long term or a short term. Then it is a retrieval process also delays. See, memory, it is a very, very important thing for human life. Most successful people, they are very good at their own memory. Believe me, whatever you are right now is because of your memory. I hope you understand. So, cubic memory system, it is my profound concept. What I'm going to tell about that. Cubic memory system is a unique system which allows you organize, structure, and register all the information in a systematic manner, and it will help you to retrieve within fraction of second whatever the data. Friends, we are living in the era of information. We need to have a lot of information has to go in every day, but we don't need it to store all. Do you know something? And you should be aware of that, which information you wanted to register and which not. You should know that. So it is going to be an interesting topic, cubic memory system, which allows you up to 60,000 information you can store and retrieve in fraction of second if you want. And I wanted to give you the data. Even the UPSC exams, competitive exams, preparation, aspirants, they need to store for entire 1 year preparation the important information, what we call it as a keywords. It is an average of 1,800 to 2,000 informations only. If they can able to reproduce it properly, they are done with the exams. This is the research. And one more biggest thing, when we listen, when we see something, when we sense through all our senses, the information goes only less than 50%. Say example, you are listening now, right? After listening that, only 50% of information it goes and try to register automatically. The rest all goes waste. So this is again survey. Today's information world, we need to update ourselves with more and more learnings. It's not a school, college only, skill development. There are many things there. If you're a professional, you need to update always. If you're a businessman, you need to update all the latest technology, everything. So everywhere you need to have a lot of information. That information has to be registered and it has to be recollected and you need to apply it. I'll tell you one more example, typical example. There are many, many trainings in corporate world. You might be wondering that attended. There'll be wow moment inside the training avenue. Once you come out, tell me honestly, how many of you are implementing whatever you learned? And tell me something, how many of you remember all the things when you need it to apply? So you need to develop the robust memory. So cubic memory system, which will help you to build up a robust memory. Believe me, I'm going to have an introductory class very soon. I'll tell you an update on that. So I welcome you all for the memory world. This is Jai Prakash from Chennai. I performed a concept called cubic memory system. Basically, I'm a strategy consultant where I use to consult MSMEs and business owners and anybody's efficiency wanted to develop. Memory plays a major role and it is a vital role. That's what I've combined together and I'm doing it in a professional way. So let's see more in very soon. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you. Jai Hind.